welcome to Detailing Bull. 6 महीना लगा पर आज रेडी है. So hopefully 6 महीने बाद जब वापस इस 6 महीने को याद करेंगे, so we'll think that we have done something good. We'll bring with the good services and we'll try our level best to ensure that car maintenance becomes one of the best businesses in Kabi Anglong. Detailing Bull जो है वो इंडिया का one of the most premium brands है when it comes to detailing. गाड़ी खरीदना और वॉश कर देना अपने आप में मेंटेनेंस नहीं होता है. गाड़ी खरीद के जो उसके अंदर जो मेंटेनेंस के अंदर आता है वो है वॉशिंग, प्रोटेक्शन और अल्टीमेटली उसका प्रॉपर एक साइंटिफिक स्टडी करके मेंटेन करना. और डिटेलिंग बुल उन सारी चीज़ों को मद्देनज़र रख के उसका ध्यान रखती है. So in Detailing Bull, we will provide you with all the services that comes under maintaining the car, such as paint protection film, coatings like ceramic coating, graphene coating, and in addition to that, we have detailing services, high gloss treatment, rubbing and polishing, and so much more. So we hope that this opportunity of establishing this organization here will give us good numbers and will also encourage us to serve our people, the people of Kabi Anglong, to the maximum. Also, I want to point out कि हमने जो ये खोला है आउटलेट, ये एक इंटरसेक्शन पे है. ये 2 स्टेट्स को सर्व करते हैं. नागालैंड, दिमापुर के सिटीजन जो है और असम, कार्बी आंगलोंग के सिटीजन्स हैं. दोनों स्टेट्स को वो सर्व कर सकते हैं because it's at the intersection of it. So with that hope and optimism, I would end our special note. Now I would request our officer in charge of Khatkari Police Station, Nitul Saikia, to please come and do the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Welcome to Nagaland TV. So manu lakawas. Itya NLTV kan Laurichan near Hotel Dream Sky ta aigina ase. Aru yate aigina taka do detailing pool kan bra taka la inauguration program deshe. Aru itya ami kan lama chute detailing pool kan ase to ahibi taka lote interact krisawo. Ashadu sir, thank you so much NLTV ke time tiagane, and then first of all congratulations for opening of detailing pool franchise in Laurichan as well. So like to start with the conversation, like we wanted to know what are the services available in detailing pool.
First of all, I'll thank NLTV for telecasting our opening ceremony. Thank you so much for that. Now about the services, we provide detailing services such as rubbing and polishing, high gloss treatment, ultra high gloss treatment, Teflon coating, and so forth. And then we have coatings like ceramic coating, graphene coating. Then comes our solid protection such as PPF. Now we have PPF of Bull Armor, which is one of the finest PPF products in the detailing industry. So that's something we're providing at Detailing Bull.
Okay, sir. Again, we wanted to know, like, this servicing is only for 4-wheelers or 2-wheelers as well?
Well, the service is available for both 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers. For 2-wheelers, we have options for street bikes and super bikes. Street bikes like Himalayan or Royal Enfield, super bikes like R15 and so forth, Hayabusa and stuff. Yeah, we do coatings for bikes as well, PPF coating or a ceramic coating. We do for both.
Okay, sir. Again, we wanted to know, like, are you providing any voucher or discount to your customer on this opening day?
Yeah, we have a very discounted voucher for the customers. It will be available for the month of August, and if we have a good response, then yeah, why not, we'll extend it. But we'll first see what's the response of the people.
Okay, sir. Lastly, we wanted to know, as we all know, there are many detailing outlets, but then why customers particularly have to choose this detailing pool?
Well, I must thank you for asking this question. Why detailing bull? Simply because what we provide, other detailers will not be providing. Let me give you a detailed description of it. Our PPF is made of 190 microns, which is by default the best PPF microns available. Basically, we have TPU PPF. TPU is the best form of PPF that is available. You will find many detailers in the market who will not even inform or educate their customers what is TPU, what is TPH. So I'll try and explain it in the most simplest way possible. TPU PPF is a PPF where the thickness of the plastic or the film is ranges from 180 microns to 220 microns, which is the best that any PPF can provide. Some people say, why not above 220? Well, that isn't right, because it can disrupt your paint, and if it is below 180, it's of low quality. Same thing, it can disrupt your paint. Plus, the protection that we provide from PPF, that is anti-scratching, UV ray protection, that minimizes to a certain extent, which is why detailing bull is a disruptor here in the market. What we provide, I don't think any other competitor or fellow detailers are providing. That's one major differentiator that we are bringing into the market.
Okay, sir. Lastly, do you want to convey any message to our viewers?
I'm sure the only message I have for your viewers, who can potentially be our customers, is that we at Detailing Bull have highly trained detailers. You can see they are our detailers. They have been trained for more than 4.5 months. For any detailer, even 1 year is not enough. Perfection doesn't come even after 3-4 years. But they are trained in a very professional manner. They understand the maintenance of car like nobody else, I must say that. They have a fine knowledge of services we are providing, highly trained from Delhi, from the headquarters of Detailing Bull. So we have a commitment in providing those trained services to our customers. So I will only request our customers that if you love your car and if you love maintaining your car, then come be a Bull member. And our team can assure you that once you become a Bull member, you'll always be a Bull member. We are here to provide the quality services, and we are hoping for the best. That's all. Thank you.
To viewers, apne anbra ito detailing pool laga inauguration program bi tikise aro tangan lot management lote khota kurabi amne kan hunishe. To amian NLTV site prabi amne ki request kro de munja to amne customers kan kunpi ito automobiles kan chulai morom pra agena ito detailing pool te tangan laga service to experience kribi kile kuli to yete imam phal service kan provide kure ase ar facilities kan bi imam phal ase aro yete experience kan ekla tangan yete employee grigina ase idorne amne anbi aigena tangala service to experience gribi puina bi janai di ase.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.